Welcome, my friends. My name is JulieB, and welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed and you like my content, please do so. Anyway, and share it. I don't mind sharing my life with anybody. Anyway, today I'm cleaning up my bedroom. I've been away. My side of the room is pretty well clean. It's his side. Anyway, I'm going to change I just changed my sheets, but I'm going to change my comforter back to my white one because I like it better. So, and then I'm going to rearrange underneath my bathroom sink real quick. So we might do that first. So y'all hang on, let me flip y'all around and show you what we're doing. I'm short, that's to get up on my bed. There's Molly. I will never get over that. And there's the pig. And
hurt someone, did you wrong. I can see it in your eyes, it's like your fire is gone. Across your face, it is written across your face. If you wanna talk, I'm right here, not gonna leave your side. Just feel free to open up when the moment's right. Across your face, it is written across your face. If you wanna go out, we can go out. You can hide away just for one night. But if you wanna cry, just let it out. I'm by your side now. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down, I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. I know you'll get up again. Better stand up tall, I know you can be brave, brave, brave. I know you can be brave, brave, brave. I know we did you wrong, wish I could take your pain away. 'Cause I hate seeing tears streaming down your face. I know you're strong, won't feel this way for long, no. If you wanna go out, we can go out. We can hide away just for one night. But if you wanna cry, just let it out. I'm by your side now. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down, I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. I know you'll get up again. Better stand up tall, I know you can be brave, 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 brave. I know you can be brave, 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 brave. If you wanna go out, we can go out. Brave, brave, brave. We can hide away just for one night. Brave, brave, brave. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down, I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. I know you'll get up again. Better stand up tall, I know you can be brave, 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 brave. I know you can be brave, 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 brave. Brave, 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 brave. Brave, brave, brave.
Baby, now we're strangers, just two people in a crowded room.
Okay, that's it for the day. I'm done. I'm tired. I'm hot. I'm sweaty. Yes, I did cut my hair, y'all. But anyway, I'm gonna flip y'all around and show you what I did. This stuff here, wait, that stuff there goes to my craft room, because I'm gonna use that stuff in my craft room. The stuff in the corner that I put the comforter and stuff in, that goes to the laundry room so I can wash it all. Anyway, so I'm gonna flip y'all around and show you what we've done.
My only advice for you, we make it cinematic. Our love's like that, it's such a classic. I only advice for you, baby.
Those are going to the closet when I start cleaning it out. And that's my exercise swim stuff.
I'll find you in the neon
So I hope y'all enjoyed that. I hope it gives you some motivation. And please subscribe and like my channel. And thank you for being my friends. And we'll talk to you later. Bye. Okay, I'm sorry about the video not being too very well. My videographer, she is just not the best. But I got it clean. You can see it looks different. I've got a cat trying to get in the closet. And I didn't even dust with oil.